our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities in Slovenia.
And today we are in Škofljica. This is our route, which is gonna take us about 45 minutes. And these chickens are hostile.
If you're an introvert, this location will be good for you. Matic is holding the umbrella for me, and he said he looks like a sopata, like a simp.
Yes, I'm a simp.
No, he is a good boyfriend. Okay, so we have made it to the watchtower in Orle, and the views here are amazing. You have 360 views all around, and this view behind me overlooks our capital city. But yeah, beautiful views. You can bike here, hike here, or just come by car, relax, have a coffee, and maybe eat some delicious food. And now to our next location. We're at Ranč Okorn, and here we have a lot of animals. As you can see, they have this cute cat. We don't know if she is pregnant or breja, as we'd say in Slovene. But yeah, it's a beautiful location. They have a lot of other animals here. Their main focus are horses and horse riding, but they really want to showcase that all animals should be appreciated and we should take care of them. Right now, we're gonna leave this cute cat and we're gonna go check out the mini zoo. They have a lot of animals there, so let's go. What is special about this location is that they offer horse riding for children with special needs. So, definitely check them out, give them a follow button, check out their Facebook page, because that is really beautiful for us, because Matic's brother also horse rides here and he just loves it here, he loves horses. So yeah, definitely check them out. But as I said, let's go to the mini zoo.
So now we are at the mini zoo. They have donkeys, goats, a rabbit, a pig, gooses, and chicken. And these chickens are hostile because Laura tried to film it, and one chicken, I think it was this one, tried to attack Laura. She thought that her pants are some kind of food, and now Laura is gonna go in the... Oh my god, Laura, run. No.
We tried to film the mini zoo, but the chicken wanted to attack us.
Her?
Yeah, me. I think my pants looked, I don't know.
Some kind of...
Yeah.
Oh, this was so fun.
But yeah, it wasn't funny for me. I was just running away from the chickens. But yeah, it was cool. The location is beautiful. We would just like to thank Simona for accepting us here.
And the owner, Clara.
Yes, and the owner, Clara, for letting us film here. And now on the next location.
So the mansion behind me is Mansion Lisičje, which was built in the 16th century. First name was Gairau, which means water glade, but after that locals named it Lisičje after the foxes in the nearby forests. Oh yeah, oh my god, really. Awesome.
Awesome location.
Okay, online looks smaller. Definitely looks smaller online. Yes, this definitely looks much better, much nicer than the pictures online. Damn, son.
We are at our next location, which is an abandoned quarry with a lake inside. This location is just very beautiful. The water is emerald green. And the only bad thing about this is it doesn't have much shade, but you know, still, we saw that some people swam in here, but we're not gonna do that today. Still, this is a hidden gem which you should definitely check out.
I will try the water. Nice. Okay, if you need to cool down, this is the place for you. The water is really crystal clear.
But yeah, we are actually almost alone. Only 2 ladies came, but otherwise there were no people here. So if you're an introvert, this location will be good for you.
Maybe because it was a bad weather at the start of the day.
It was a good experience. On to the next one. Okay, so we wanted to stop at Kmetija v Pravljicah, and we did stop, but unfortunately we can't show you what we filmed because we didn't get to film anything. The owner, she was really nice, you know. She told us that visitors can come every first Sunday of the month. It is a special location. They take care of animals, you know, they rescue animals. And Matic, can you tell us more about this?
Yeah, right now they have 90 animals, but in total they saved over 200 animals. Every animal has its own story, and yeah, if you love animals, you should definitely check them out. Right now we are at our next location, which is Park of Senses. So they built this last year. It features a path with informational boards about the plants. You have a viewing platform, you have a duck island, you have a bee island, and it's really chill. And the ducks are here. Yeah, there are also turtles. There you also have turtles here. And now let's get along on the path. Oh my god, they're coming to me. I don't know, birds and cats and animals love me. And fast forward. Yeah, we have made it to the viewing point platform. Let's see. Viewing platform. Oh yeah.
Nice location for relaxation.
Okay. Talia approves.
Yes, we like it.
So we are located in the old center of Pijava, Gorica. What is interesting here for me is this barn behind me. It was built in the around middle 19th century, and it's the same as it was. So this well is also a part of the old city center, like the church on that side of the road.
Okay guys, and that was it for this video.
Subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next episode.
Bye!